We have Sacchitanand Uttekar of Tradebulls joining in to discuss what he would strategize in a market such as this. Sacchitanand, hi, welcome to the show. Well, it's definitely a very tentative market at this point in time. We have the financials, which are down around 0.5%, which is the Bank Nifty. How would you approach it? Any stock-specific action?
Good morning, Ekta. Good morning, Nigel. Clearly, yesterday Nifty failed to sustain above that particular support mark at around 19,900, and the way we have seen, today's gap down opening, plus the way flows have been, especially from the Nifty Bank, clearly there is a good amount of pressure which is evident. Until unless we don't see Nifty, trending above that 19,820 mark. It is very clear that we may see further pressure, throughout the day. So here, I think keeping a stop loss somewhere close to around 18,840, it will be a prudent idea to retain your short positions. On the lower side, the immediate support that we are looking at from a trading perspective is placed somewhere close to around 19,720. So probably we may see this particular weakness getting continued. Nifty Bank is definitely trying to sustain near that 20 days exponential moving average support zone. But if you look at the way ICICI Bank has seen some strong selling, so probably we may see a swing towards 45,000, 44,800 as well. So even here we are recommending building some short positions here. 45,350 should be an ideal stop loss for the trades in Nifty Bank. When it comes to stock-specific action, clearly, pharma is one particular pack wherein we have seen some profit booking pressure, and Cipla is one particular stock which has given a breakdown below the important support zone of around 1230. If you look at the daily scale, we have a negative crossover on its 5 and 20 exponential moving average, which is an indication of good directional momentum. So even here at this juncture, we are advising building fresh short positions. The stop loss from here on should be placed at around 1228. On the lower side, we are expecting a swing, intraday swing towards 1185, but eventual positional target would be around 1170. So this is one particular stock idea where we are confident, which can be deployed on the short side. On the long side, Nifty Metals is looking, a bit confident. There are a lot of stocks that are showing short covering signs. And from that pack, Hindalco has been sustaining near its 20-day exponential moving average. So probably on its way up, one can deploy some long positions, keeping a stop loss somewhere close to around 478. And the moment we see some, stability in the market, I think Nifty Metals may see a good recovery. So from a trading perspective, 496 is the target that we have recommended.
Okay, all right, Sachi, thanks so much for stopping by and filling us in with your call on the index as well as a couple of trading calls. For the time